Okay, so let's give this a try. Amazing, delicious. You can definitely taste the zucchini, the carrot, the celery, and the garlic. The flavor just combined together. Definitely must try this for your family. Hi, my name is Anna. I've been baking for the past 20 years. I've developed a passion for baking from my Italian parents. So join me for some delicious, quick, authentic recipes. I have hundreds to choose from and to share with you. So whether you're just starting out or have an interest in baking, follow me and we'll get inspired. Hi, benvenuti. Today we're making stuffed zucchini. In Italian, it's Zucchini Ripiene. For this recipe, you'll need ground beef, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, carrots, celery, breadcrumbs, garlic, Italian parsley, basil, onions, and of course, zucchini. I'll have the full recipe at the end. So we're gonna start by slicing our zucchini in half, and then with a spoon or a back of a fork, I'm using the back of a measuring spoon. And what you wanna do is gently, don't cut yourself, you're going to remove the center as much as you can, but you wanna take a lot of the zucchini because it's delicious. We're gonna mix it together. So you're gonna just put it in and rotate it. And don't worry if you sometimes cut the zucchini. It's gonna be all stuffed and you won't notice it. There we go. I think I've got it all. I find it easier doing it this way because you get the whole zucchini. And then if you want to just shave some more off, because you want to stuff the zucchini and you want to have lots of space in there. So I just keep going and really remove the inside. You kind of can tell, right? There's just the skin and a bit of the inside. There you have it. Okay, so now that you've removed all the inside of your zucchini, you're going to chop them because you're going to make your stuffing. Okay, so you want to just chop them finely, and don't worry if some of the pieces are a bit larger, because once you cook it, it reduces and it all becomes nice and small, so not to worry about that, but just get it to a nice consistency. So that's about the size. Now we're going to mix in with our ground beef. So we're gonna start by adding a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Saute your onions. Carrots and celery. And of course, garlic. Saute that for a few minutes at medium heat. You want the flavors to combine together. Oh, that smells so good. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the ground beef. And you're going to add about a teaspoon of salt. So once you've sauteed just a bit, what I like to do is add your chopped zucchini center. So you have the nice balance of your ground beef, your zucchini. There we go, it's coming along nicely. So now we're going to add our breadcrumbs, our basil, and our parsley. So you want to add your breadcrumb after you've reduced the liquid from your zucchini. So you want to have a bit of structure. There's no water in there. See how nice it comes together? There we go. Then once I remove it from heat, I will add the Parmesan cheese. Okay, now that your stuffing, your ground beef stuffing with the zucchini is all ready, we're going to add Parmesan cheese to this. There we go. Just give it a bit of a mix. You can use this stuffing or this method with any other vegetable that you like. It works just as well. There we go. So this is ready to go into your zucchini. So your stuffing is all ready. You're going to get your pan, line it with parchment paper, and you're gonna add olive oil. That's going to add to your taste as well. It's so nice. It's growing up, this was one of my favorites, and my mom would always make that for me. So it's something I grew up with and really hold dear to me. So another way you could make these stuffed zucchini is slice them in half, and you could either slice them in half whole zucchini or cut them in half and half again and stuff them that way. That's also another way you can do them. Also, if you don't have, if time isn't permitting, that's a really good way to make them. And once they're all stuffed, we're going to bake them and get them nicely cooked and browned as well. What I sometimes do is put some gloves on and kind of fill them that way as well. So, or if you want, another way too is the piping bags. I always have a few on hand, and just when you're filling it, you cut the tip, remove the tip, make it a little bit wider so the stuffing can go right through. That's always a nice quick way to fill them as well. And if you want, also you could make a pasta and kind of toss it in with some pasta. Add a bit of olive oil and garlic, and it makes a delicious meal as well. So there you go. So once we're done filling all our zucchini, what I like to do is drizzle with olive oil. So you want to put enough because you want the flavors. You want the zucchini cooked in the olive oil flavor as well. So what I like to do is also season the outer zucchini. Put them on top. So I'll do it on one row and see how that is. And just place it on top. It's all the deliciousness because it's going to bake and it's going to brown. So I'll make it nice and crispy as well. And the inside's going to be tender. There we go. All ready to go in the oven. Okay. So let's bake that for 45 minutes. Okay. Our zucchinis are ready. Look at them. They look so good, so crispy. We're just gonna plate them. And don't worry if you have the stuffing falls a bit. It's all delicious. Look at that. Makes such a nice addition to your meal. If you're having guests over or if you're going to a potluck, this is really nice to bring. And what I would do if you're going to bring it to a potluck, I would get a casserole, and this way it holds everything so nicely together. And then if you have some of the topping, just place it on top. Grate some Parmesan over top, just for some added flavor. You can never have too much Parmesan cheese. That's two things in Italian kitchen: Parmesan cheese and garlic. There we have it, stuffed zucchini. In Italian, it's Zucchini Ripiene, which means zucchini filled. So enjoy this with your family for any Sunday brunch or a potluck. Okay, so let's give this a try. Look at that, zucchini got nice and soft. Amazing, delicious. You could definitely taste the zucchini, the carrot, the celery, and the garlic. The flavor just combined together. Definitely must try this for your family.